Hey, are you looking to move abroad for your higher studies? Or you may be just looking for a 7.5 plus band for your Ielts test? Well, fear not, Royal Institute is here for your rescue. At Royal Institute, we provide you with a 10-day special intensive crash course program where you can prepare for the test within a short period of time. We have specialized trained staff who will sit with you individually and help you with all the 4 modules, that is the listening, reading, writing and speaking. We have a special correction facility for your writing section that will help you to improve the different parts of the writing section, and we'll give you some tips, tricks, and everything else needed to get you a good band score. And we have one-on-one test for the speaking section that is conducted every day throughout this course, and it will help you to build your confidence and your vocabulary. We have separated the exam batch in a different classroom so that they have undivided attention and they are not disturbed by anything else. If you wish to join our institute for your IELTS purpose, please feel free to contact us at the given number, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.